So when was the last time that you took a moment to stop and celebrate your wins? Did you do something huge to celebrate? Are you like, Jamie, how in the world does this fall into building healthy habits? Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jamie. This channel is all about us ladies rediscovering our spark and finding our inner badass. I don't know why that makes me laugh. I think it's funny. This channel is for some real women taking a look at our real lives and being able to make some changes to build some healthy habits that actually stick. So this is no crazy diets, no crazy changes in our lifestyles, and no crazy workouts. If you're like, girl, this is the channel for me, please make sure you go hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and give me any comments throughout to let me know what you think. We are building a community of like-minded women. If you have someone that you think could benefit from this series or from this channel, go share. Sharing is caring. Now on to the program. This is our last and most important episode for our series of building healthy habits. If you have not had a chance yet to see the other ones, I will link them below in the description. Just click on them, take you straight through them. Today's topic is all about celebrating your wins. So here's the thing. Do you find that it's actually the opposite of finding time to celebrate your win? Punishing ourselves for bad behavior it just comes naturally. We don't have any issues about feeling guilty about what we may deem as a mistake or a bad decision. And it really doesn't matter how small what you think the screw up was, we usually still bring out the stick. Do you find that when a small mistake has happened, that you feel bad about it? But on the flip side, when we make a small win, do you feel good about it? Why do we do that? We are so quick to punish ourselves, yet so very slow to celebrate the win. This is such a huge problem when we're trying to develop and build these healthy habits. Without those celebrations, no matter how little or big they are, it just nosedives your motivation. Okay, so starting today, I challenge you. Ooh. Yeah, I went there. I challenge you to change your mindset and start celebrating the wins. And here's why. When we take the time to celebrate those small wins, we increase our motivation. It activates that reward circuitry in our brains. And here's the deal. Science tells us that when we do those endorphins are released and you get that, that good feeling, that's what you get. Now, did you just sit back and go, okay, she's full of crap and that's just silly? Why do I need to actually take the time to celebrate the small wins? I'll just celebrate it at the end when I get done. The thing is you're not celebrating because you've made some huge achievement, but instead you're celebrating each step towards building that healthy habit, or really anything. Start the celebration of what you are becoming, not the end result. The really cool thing about this is the celebration factor drives you to want to repeat that new habit, and it drives you forward. Let's start today with this one. The first and most important thing that you need to do to celebrate your progress is to acknowledge it, recognize it, go, yeah. This is gonna require a switch in how we think. It's a change in mindset so that you get to feel the goodness about the actions that you have taken. Stop worrying about those roadblocks and speed bumps. Progress is progress. Okay, let's be honest here. I have to be extremely hyper aware to take the time to celebrate the small wins. This one's hard. I'm a task girl and I like to just plow through things and never really take that moment to just stop, recognize the work that I have done in each step. So today, I'm embracing this one. So if you're at a red light or you're at a meeting with me or you see me walking down the hallway and I'm doing like a little dance party, you know what? That's celebrating that small win. And you should just celebrate with me. Dance party, dance party. Take the moment, no matter how big or small that it is, to celebrate. So what are the takeaways from this episode? One, we're gonna start right now. Go tell somebody about your win and how you're celebrating it. When you share this with your inner circle, your support group, they're gonna also be able to enjoy that moment with you. And this totally leads them to helping you and encourage you to get to the next step. Here's the really cool thing about sharing your victories and what your next step is it holds you accountable. Your inner circle is gonna be checking in going, where are you with that? Make that public commitment and share your wins. So what are you celebrating today? What just came to mind that you're saying, yep, that's what I'm gonna celebrate? What I want you to do is head down to the comments, type it out, let's celebrate together. Let's start here. Share and let us know. Sharing is caring. This is gonna wrap up our series for building healthy habits. If you like this video, go give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go hit that subscribe button. Are you like, what's next? We've reached the end. What's our next series? Our next series is gonna be all about why the scale is a liar. We're gonna bring in and discuss other methods that we can use to track our fitness journey. I almost forgot. Did you know that our Building Badass Women community now has an exclusive Facebook page? What? And right now you can get in as a founding member with a discounted price. I'm gonna put the link below that will take you so you can get some additional information and where you can sign up. But what this community is number one, it's a support and accountability group that we can bring each other together. It allows you to have some workouts that you can do from home. It lets you have a breakdown of some dance moves that you can totally bring to your next party, and so much more. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks guys, see you next Thursday.